One of the most valuable skills that you can learn as a video creator is how to talk in front of the camera. Whether you're just starting out or you have experience, this class will have insights on how to efficiently and effectively film yourself for a talking head video, like this one. Hi, my name is Scott Liu and I'm a video creator on YouTube. I've created over 100 videos at this point and I'm here to share my knowledge on how I personally record talking head videos. In this class, you'll go through 3 essential components of filming yourself. Number 1, camera and composition. We'll start with how to dial in the best settings for your camera and how to achieve a good composition. We'll also talk about the best lenses for talking head videos and teleprompters. Also note that throughout each lesson, I'll be covering all the equipment I use and recommend. Number 2, audio. I'll cover how to properly set up a boom microphone, optimize the levels, and use proper microphone technique. I'll also discuss the importance of using backups and other microphone options for talking head videos. Number 3, lighting. We'll take a look at the 3-point lighting system and how to ensure your image looks clean and pleasing. I'll also include a checklist of everything you need to do right before the recording. Aside from those 3 main components, we'll also cover some mental challenges that come about when you're trying to record yourself. In addition to all of that, I'll give you tips on the 2 different styles of talking head videos, scripted and freestyle. And finally, I'll go over how I edit a talking head video from start to finish. It'll be one of my more in-depth editing tutorials I've done so far. The class project will be to create your own talking head video. There will be a lesson assignment for each of the lessons, so be sure to follow along if you want to make the best out of this class. There's also a worksheet available for download that outlines the class and class project, so be sure to download that. Talking head videos are a staple of YouTube and one of the most common video types out there. By the end of this class, you'll have all the knowledge you need to confidently make your own. So let's get started. Hi guys, that was just a preview to my latest Skillshare class. I'll leave a link down below for a 30-day free trial of Skillshare if you're interested in checking it out. And also in my previous video, I mentioned that I would give away a 1-year premium membership for Skillshare for someone who commented about what they wanted to learn on Skillshare. So congratulations to Abdul. You mentioned that you wanted to learn book reading techniques, communication skills, and videography. Simply email me at scott@dreamlitblue.com and we'll go from there. Anyways, I appreciate the comment and good luck with all that you want to learn. For now, I'm going to take a break from creating Skillshare classes and get back into creating for YouTube. So I hope to see you in the next video.